Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install chargeback paperwork for credit card disputes, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of installing chargeback paperwork for credit card disputes, gather all necessary documents related to your transaction. This includes receipts, email confirmations, and any correspondence with the merchant. Next, identify the specific charge you wish to dispute by reviewing your credit card statement. Once you have pinpointed the charge, contact your credit card issuer's customer service. Inquire about their specific chargeback process, as it can vary by company. Request the appropriate chargeback forms, which may be available online or through customer support. Fill out the chargeback forms with accurate information, making sure to include your personal details and the specifics of the transaction. Attach any supporting documents you gathered earlier to strengthen your case. Double-check all entries for clarity and accuracy to avoid delays in processing. Submit the completed forms along with the documents to your credit card issuer, either online or via mail. Keep copies of everything you send for your records. After submission, monitor the status of your dispute by following up with your credit card issuer. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested during the review process. Once the chargeback is evaluated, you will receive a notification about the outcome. Follow up with your credit card issuer if you need further updates or if you disagree with the decision. Maintain a record of all communications with your credit card issuer related to the dispute. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.